I'm from Alexandria, Virginia, and I've just completed the SomaVeda Thai Yoga Practitioner certification, and it is located at the Thai Yoga Center. And what I can say about the space is that it is beautiful, and it is a wonderful class in order to grow your practice, in order to become the best healer that you can be. And so I invite you to come on down. All right, thank you.